Plus, it's also important now as a chairman given responsibility over here. It is important that GIFDC also today collaborates with other corporates like Dampos, Salvankar, and and we have to bring up these sports. It's the grassroots level, and we also recognition. Recommendation is very important from GFA. We all need to work together, GFA, GFDC, and ensure keeping everything aside that this grassroots, these players are given the basic. We need coaches, Sundays, to academy north and the south, and I'm working towards it. I know that the responsibility is given to me at this point of time. Nevertheless, but I'm trying my level best with the support of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Sports Minister Shri Ramesh Karwadkar, and my friend MLA Premendra, with all their support, that we will ensure that we reach to a different height altogether. So today we have altogether about 36 centers, north and south. And today the member secretary, in fact, with our chairman, has done well for the last 2 years or 2 years. And we hope that we take this forward. And today, now we are going to have the kickoff event. I wish all the girls, I know, and the parents, I want to tell the parents. So parents are key. Much encouragement, Kopaji Gaurav, Kobar, exam, Sanya, but sport also a very, very important factor. Sports is the environment of sports is in today's generation. But today's generation is connected with their mobiles, internet, academics, so much. And then the parents think like, this ultimate, they have to study. They have to study, there's no doubt. Studies are very, very important because the more you study, the less it is. But if you're very active in sports, you're kept away, from all the other wrong activities. You're health-wise, you're good, you're very healthy, you're strong, internally strong, your mind is strong, and it takes you forward, and it keeps you in very, very good health. And you can study better. So my request to the parents, I can't see much of the parents today here, are they? They have to encourage your children. Academics, they have to study, but at the same time when they study, they have to play, and I'm sure they will keep good health and they will study well also. So all the very best to all the girls. It's a girls tournament, and also the young boys. That is all work, be serious, you have to be dedicated, sincere, hardworking. That is only the results. If you are sincere, hardworking, dedicated, you will definitely play for your school, for your village, for your state of Goa, and definitely national and also for top leagues in India. So wish you all the very best. And of course, before I conclude, I would really, once again, I feel happy that my very good friend, Mr. Premendra, is taking a lot of interest in this sports activity, because I remember recently he invited me over here for a tournament. Ashok.
आज आमच्या भुरग्यांक एक टॅलंट्स आसा, तो टॅलंट्स फुडें डेव्हलप जावपाक जाय म्हणून सेवा वेदांता कंपनीन जो फुडाकार घेतलेलो आसा. 2 तेंचे अकॅडमी आसल्यो. आज तेंच्यांनी हांगासर घोशीत करपाचें आसा की आनीक ती गर्ल्स अकॅडमी करपाची आहा. हेतून आमचे नियर बाय भुरगीं आसा विलेजींनी, ती भुरगीं एकत्र रावन तांकां फुटबॉलाचें प्रशिक्षण दितले, ट्रेनिंग दितले. हितून आमच्या भुरग्यांचे इंट्रस्ट जे आसा ते डेव्हलप करपाची खूब गरज आसा, आनी पेरंट्सांनी तांकां मॉरल सपोर्ट दिवपाची गरज आसा. आमच्या गोंयांत हो 4 सिजनांनी खेळ खेळटा, म्हणजे आमकां पावस गीम फुटबॉल हो चालूच आसता. पण हांव एकच सांगपाक सोदता आमच्या यंग भुरग्यांक, आज जशी खंत प्रत्येक जाण व्यक्त करता की भुरगीं मोबायल जास्त यूज करता, इंटरनेट जास्त यूज करता, त्या पद्दतीन हेजो यूज कमी करून जास्तीत जास्त जर खेळाचेर भर दिली जाल्यार आपले जे रेजिस्टंट पावर जे आसता भितर हे चड डेव्हलप जाता. आज आमकां ही चड गरज आसा. वी आर इन नीड ऑफ मच पावर. आमचे कडेन स्कील जरी आसले जाल्यार आमकां पावरूय जाय पडटा. हो फुटबॉल हो जो खेळ आसा हो खेळटलो जाल्यार स्कील आनी पावर. इफ यू डोंट हॅव इनफ स्टॅमिना टू प्ले अ गेम ऑफ 90 minutes, यू आर नॉट फिट टू डू दॅट. अशा पद्दतीन आपलो स्टॅमिना वाडोवपाक लागून आमकां सगळ्या सिजनान हो खेळ प्रॅक्टीस दवरची पडटली, आनी तेन्नाच आमी परफेक्शन हाडूंक शकतले. हांव मागता आमच्या यंग प्लेयर्सां कडेन अशा ह्या टुर्नामेंटाच्या माध्यमांसून आमकां एक स्पॉटिंग करपाक मेळटा की आज काही भुरगीं हितूनसून जर फुडें सरलीं जाल्यार तांकां बरी वेवस्थीत ट्रेनींग दिवन तांकां फुडें घेवपाक लागून इवन विश दॅट दे शूड प्ले इंडियन टीम एज अ होल. आज तुमकां सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता आसतना पेरंट्सांकूय शुभेच्छा दिता आनी पेरंट्सां कडेन मागता की आपल्या भुरग्यांचेर भरोसो दवरून ह्या भुरग्यांक वेवस्थीत रितीन ट्रेन करपाक लागून तुमी सहकार्य करचें.